to the north and have a nice snorkeling tip directly from the beach. You have no current, warm water. After the earthquake, the reef is lifted for 1.5 to 2 meters, so some corals are above the surface, but below you can see a beautiful reef with all small reef creatures, and the reef is intact and new coral growing is already visible.